Alrighty, well I don't normally do this because you do an unboxing. Here we go. We got the Sainlogic mini electric chainsaw 6-inch variety, which I guess you can't see that. Damn camera. I'm blaming the camera on this one. Let's open it up and take a look. I actually saw my bro Dominic review this one. Interesting, it's the exact same case as the other companies. Now, it's no secret that I'm very fond of battery powered chainsaws. So you got some safety glasses, a spare chain which will come in handy if the saw lasts that long. Put that aside. You got some gloves which look to be for small hands. I have large hands, so, but it looks like they stretch out. But then I've already got work gloves, so it's like, what do I need? What do I need? You know, it'll probably just sit on the shelf until 2 spare batteries, which it's very handy having 2 batteries. And you got the charger, so now I have 3 of these, so I can actually charge 2 batteries at the same time. And you got a little bottle for the oil. And you got the saw. Sweet. Notice there's more safety features on this one than the others I've received. It's a 6-inch blade. Let's get outside and cut some firewood. Check it out. See how she does. I forgot to add, they had a claim your warranty by registering now. Get one extra year of your warranty. Except they sent this to me, so they're not going to warranty a product that they gave me for review. So, but if you buy one, you'll get a warranty, extended warranty. Okay, so some final thoughts. Decided to wrap up. As you saw from the saw, it must have gotten too hot and quit, which is a little concerning because it would only get a little bit, it would cut a little bit and it would quit. I felt a little too soon, but I just saw the battery says 24% because I forgot it displayed it right here. So that's kind of wiggling around, but it says 24%, which should be enough battery to keep me going. Excuse me. Excuse me again. So I don't know what the deal. I mean, I did spill a little bit of oil filling it, but I would hope that wouldn't be the problem. I mean, it seemed to work okay, but then it quit pretty often, so I don't know. So they sent, they answered in their email. They offered a 70% discount code. 70, not like 7, but 70%. So if you want to give it a try, I'll put that link in the description so you can go check it out. And if you want to go get one yourself, go for it. I'm a little concerned, but I'm gonna do some more. I'm gonna take it out in the woods. I'm hoping to go camping next week with a bro of mine because it's his birthday that weekend. So yeah, so I'm hoping to go out camping with him. So I'm gonna take this with me, fully charged batteries, give it a whirl, try it out some wood, see what we get. If it quits, well, we'll know. I'm gonna fully charge both batteries before I go, so they'll be good to go. And then we'll get out and we'll get some field research with it. But so far, I'm a little iffy on it. But now they did send it to me for review, but I'm not gonna endorse a product that's not gonna work. But time will tell. We'll see what it does on the next outing and see how she holds up. So, alright, well, anyway, links will be down in the descriptions. You want to check them out. It should be on Amazon. And don't forget that discount code for 70% off, which is really, that's a huge discount. So I don't know if they're just trying to move all their products or just trying to get the word out, but there'll probably be a follow-up video using the saw. We'll see how she does with some actual camping field research. So until that time, have a good one. Don't forget to check the links if you want to just check out stats, specs, weight, and all that. I didn't give it because that stuff, it's not something I'm going to backpack as car camping, but I guess time will tell. Alright, thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you next one.